Today's economy is all about volume, efficiently, informatization, and when your business is doing huge volume, you need a packaging solution which will beautify your product and save you on packaging costs. We have your solution. We are Homing Stock. Homing Stock originated from 1999, headquartered located in beautiful Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area, Dongguan City, covering an area of more than 80,000 square meters. The wholly owned subsidiary Jiangsu Hongxi Technology Company Limited, located in Jiangsu Province. After 21 years of development, now Homing have advanced R&D technology and R&D team, strong self-processing and perfect supplier chain, high standard quality management system, and fast response customer service system. Homing Stock has focused upon producing a wide range of rigid box machines for the past 21 years and have achieved numerous certifications such as CE and ISO quality management system certifications, 213 utility model patents, 44 invention patents. These honors enable Homing to gain world-renowned recognition as a trusted manufacturer in the box production machinery industry. At Homing Stock, we have not only established a meticulous quality and service system, but also placed great importance on technology innovation and comprehensive packaging solutions. Users have increased to nearly 10,000 in more than 30 countries and regions around the world. Homing have exported our products worldwide to the United States, Brazil, Germany, Spain, the Netherlands, South Korea, India, and other countries. A stellar reputation and wide product acceptance are helping Homing expand into new markets overseas. The Engineering Technology Department launches innovative, efficient machine on a consistent basis. Homing Technology and Quality Control Departments demonstrate our commitment to innovation and our demand for high quality. Homing have established all standardized procedures from production management to processing operations. Our passion regarding manufacturing and pursuit of excellence is seen in the quality and reliability of our products. Homing Stock has invested in over 24 diverse computerized numerous control machines. This, in turn, has allowed Homing to create high-precision components. The gantry-type automatic 5-phase machining center, which underlines Homing pursuit of consistency, precision, and excellent stability of workpieces. Homing carries out sandblasting and plastic spray operations while simultaneously ensuring the environmental sustainability of these practices and maintaining the elegance. The general assembly process is a direct reflection of Homing's standardized production and advanced technology. All departments work in coordination to support on-site testing guidance and the implementation of Homing impeccable quality control procedures. Both of which embodies Homing's spirit of producing the finest possible box-making machines. Homing Stock continuous innovation and advanced technology concepts solve various high-end, special-shaped box problems. Fully automatic intelligent production line, helping customers to gradually realize unmanned workshops, reducing labor costs and achieve production efficiency. High-speed double-hand rigid box machine with a speed of up to 45 to 50 boxes per minute, which greatly improves customer productivity. The Yamaha Robot Image Positioning System, the German 10-megapixel camera, and the Japanese VS lens ensure that the positioning area is within ±0.02 mm to ±0.05 mm, so that the customer's product positioning is more accurate. Adhering to leading technology, at advocating industry style, marking inheritance quality, promoting industrial civilization, and continuously innovating automated and intelligent modern equipment, Homing Stock has been on the road.